This is a question from the day 1 homework. It is question 18. I wanted to explain this question because I found it very interesting. It is mainly asking for our understanding of patterns and also many other ways we can divide and plus. It's mostly about patterns. So I already drew the table, as you can see, but first let's read the question. It says, from the thumb, count 1, 2, 3, ... until 2013, follow the pattern in the picture. Which finger will you stop at? This is a picture. And they are asking for the finger that we will stop at. So, now that we know what they are asking for, let's first continue this pattern, and we can keep on drawing a few of the boxes if we need more. So, I labeled the numbers, the columns, thumb, second, third, fourth, and pinky. So, for the first finger, we start from the thumb. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The way I do this question is different to how you would actually do this, like the recommended way. So I would like to continue this. So 5, but for the 5th finger, we need to go back to the 4th finger, not just go down to the pinky again. So it goes to the 4th finger for 6, 7, 8, 9, and instead of going right down, we have to go to 10 to the 2nd finger. 10, 11, 12, 13. Same process. 15, 16, 17. If you haven't figured out the pattern yet, I will draw a few more boxes so we can figure it out more easily. Now that we have a few more boxes, we can easily do a few more. So we start from 14 again, from 17 again. So we don't go right down, we go to the one diagonally under it. So we have 18, and then 19, 20, 21, and go to the side, 22, 23, 24, 25. We would go down for the next one, but because it's the end of the screen, we'll just go down. If you still haven't found the pattern, you can just look at the table more thoroughly, but I will tell you the pattern now. It is except for the first few, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the exception. All the others follow a consistent pattern. If you look closely, you'll find that every 8, going down, will have a pattern that it goes from thumb, second, fourth, third, fourth, pinky, then fourth, third, second, thumb. But the thumb is going to be on the one below. So these are on patterns of 8, if you have noticed. 8 is a pattern, so because they are asking for the 2013 one, we need to, because we have the exception here, our exception, the first row, we have to do 2013 minus 5. Equals 2008. So now that we've got that, we have to do 2008 divided by 8, as we have here. So we do our calculation. and we have no remainder. So now that we know that there's no remainder and our answer is 251, we know that 2008 divided by 8 is 251, but because there's no remainder, we have to look at the last number that is in these patterns of 8. The last number that we can see here is always on a pinky. So the finger that you stop at, which is what we're looking for, and the answer is pinky. That is the solution for question 18.